Hey friends, old and new, welcome back and welcome. I am Delicia if you are a new friend here. In this video, I'm sharing a few ideas to make your home coffee bar or home cafe something that you will want to come to again and again. Here is an overview of my home coffee bar and tea station as well. In the colder months, it's even a hot cocoa station, so creative minds, people, get those juices flowing. But first, iced caramel latte. Gotta set the mood, right? I'll leave my recipe down below. Just keep in mind, I am not a connoisseur whatsoever. I just like what I like. So after my order is up, we're going to move in a little bit closer. We're going to talk about the shelving and the drawers and even what's down below in the cabinets. If you are lucky enough to have real estate on the upper half of your walls, you can install one or more shelves for your favorite home decor or even your coffee or tea accessories that you utilize on a regular basis. On my wall, I opted to have one shelf because I just don't like a lot of things, but you can put fake flowers or plants, or real flowers or plants are also really good to put here to give your shelves some color and some character. And as far as the accessories and things that you use on a regular basis, you can display your favorite coffee. This Voila Cafe bag is a decaf brand that I use for any guests that may want to have decaf instead of regular coffee. I also have my Dunkin' in this mug here, and we can't forget about baked goods. If you like baked goods, you're always going to find things like that in your favorite cafe. You can either permanently install mug hooks or you can purchase a mug tree to display your favorite mugs. This is a little new for me. I decided to add a towel to clean up messes, and it doubles as decor as well. This is probably my favorite part of my coffee bar, my syrups. And I decided to add my own DIY labels that I made on my computer to give them a more modern look and feel to it. I love the aesthetic. I looked at how much these labels cost at other stores, but I said, wait, I can do this myself. They don't cost that much, but I can do this. So why pay someone to do something that I know how to do and I enjoy doing? I left the Tarani labels on the back just in case someone wants to know the ingredients of a syrup or how many calories the syrup is. It's right there. To display my DIY labels, as you can see, there's still adhesive on here, and I just basically use my label here. I didn't realize when I made the label that all of them say number 18. I wanted them to look like they do on places like Etsy and things like that, but I forgot to change the numbers as I changed out the names. But it's for my coffee bar and I like it, so do what you like. I didn't bother going back and changing it. To remove the Tarani label on the front, I use my blow dryer. If you wait too long and let the adhesive cool off, the label will still stick on there, but the edges probably won't. So just to let you know, you can go back again with that blow dryer and warm up that adhesive, and the label will fit on perfectly. Just by running the blow dryer over the adhesive just like this, it will reheat that adhesive and you can put your own label on perfectly. But because I did make this on my own on my printer, I didn't bother using a waterproof type of label. It is paper. I have not had any issues in the past with messing it up, but just in case, that's always a possibility. Since I'm working with shelf decorating on my station, I like to bring any elements from there down to the countertop for more balance. So I use this cookbook holder and stand to do that. This holder is from Amazon. It also has what I like to call a little kickstand in the back. It stands up quite well without using it. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested. After labeling the bottles, I decided I wanted the same look and feel on the shelf as well, so I made labels for the canisters. A lot of you asked about my canisters with the gold lids in my 2022 Valentine's Day coffee bar video. I'll link the video in the cards above and both the video and the canisters below if you're interested. In the drawers are where my K-cups are stored. Here's an idea for your drawers if you use K-cups or even espresso pods. These organizers are from Container Store. Obviously, there are many types of containers to choose from, like the ones that I have here, or acrylic or even bamboo. In this drawer, I house my teas and breakfast bars and some other accessories that I have. Their sweetener in this little container down here. I have stirrers over here, the disposable kind, but if you wanted to use spoons like I did for my lattes, you can do that. These are my filters for my ground coffee when I don't want to use my K-cups. So those are always nice to have. And here are the black spoons that I have, like if you rather do that instead of the plastic ones that you have to throw away if you care more about the environment. These are like the same ones that I used for my iced latte earlier. And as you can see, if I decide to put them in the little container where the stirrers go, they fit in here perfectly, and it gives the drawer a totally different look. Now this is the reusable K-cup up here that I mentioned earlier, and that's where the filters go. And that, as you can see, I didn't take that one out yet from my iced latte that I made earlier. In the cabinets below, you see that I have some of my favorite mugs. I have seasonal mugs from fall and Christmas. I also have some Valentine's mugs that I actually still use. My favorite one right now is this Target mug here in the middle where it says love grows here. It's not just for Valentine's Day. I use it all the time. I love the diversity on it as well. I have some more accessories here. I have my little milk jug that you saw me pouring in my milk for my latte. I also have a little handheld frother right here. And these items you can actually use above your coffee station for decor, like I mentioned earlier with the coffee that I had above and some of the coffee mugs. So again, ideas are endless and you can change things out whenever you please. I have an acrylic container here with some extra K-cups, different flavors for anyone that wants that. And this is the box here for the disposable stirrers that I have, and some of the Swiss Miss hot chocolate for the colder times. And over here I have my teapot. I love this teapot. I got this from Home Goods, I think last year, but I really love that for special tea parties for myself or someone else. And then I have my Keurig Care kit back there, and there are the canisters that a lot of you asked about back around Valentine's Day. And then there are some glass jars and things back there that I keep too for some of the other stylings that I've done in the past for this coffee station. Before I forget, I wanted to show you this under cabinet lighting, which is a great option if you lack lighting in your space like I do. It doesn't run by battery or electricity. You just charge it when you need to charge it, which I haven't done yet. As you can see, it gets pretty bright, but I think it's the camera here. It really isn't that bright in person. It has an on and off switch, but it also has a motion sensor. You see there is a magnet on the back. It's metal on the back, and you just switch it on and off like that. Keep the light away from you so it's not so bright. But I also want to show you how the motion sensor works. If I cover up the little ball right there, it automatically comes on in the dark or the very early time in the morning when it's still dark and the sun's not out and you want to come down and get your coffee. It will come on automatically as soon as you come down to your coffee bar or coffee station. I think I want to maybe install permanent lighting up above that shelf where you saw where the coffee sign is. I still don't know yet, so I thought that I could at least go ahead and try this temporarily before I make up my mind. I will also link these down below too if you are interested. Friends, if you grabbed at least one idea from this video that you love, leave a comment down below. And if you love home and lifestyle content like this and you're not yet subscribed, tap that subscribe button and notification bell to catch up on older videos and to be notified on new ones. Until next time, take care.